In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email account from Outlook. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll point out what changes when you remove an account so there are no surprises. Interface labels can vary slightly between Outlook versions, but the path we'll follow is the same. Start on your Outlook homepage or dashboard, the main mail view where you see your inbox and folders. Before you proceed, double-check that you're working on the right mailbox, especially if you manage more than one. Removing an account disconnects its email, calendar, and contacts from this Outlook app. It does not delete your actual email service with your provider, and you can always add the account back later. If you keep anything only on this computer, like local folders or calendar items, create a backup first so nothing important is lost. Next, move to the very top left corner of Outlook and click File. This opens the Backstage view, the place where you manage settings that affect your whole Outlook profile rather than a single message or folder. In the File menu, select Account Info. You'll see details about your Outlook setup and the list of email accounts currently connected. This is where you control which accounts stay linked to Outlook. Now choose Accounts, then select Manage Account. This brings you to the screen for changing or removing specific accounts. Find the account you want to remove and look for the option to remove account from Outlook. Click it. Outlook may display a warning that cached messages, calendars, and contacts for this account will be removed from this computer. That's expected. If your account uses Microsoft 365, Exchange, or IMAP, your data still lives on the server and can be accessed on the web or resynced later. If it's a POP account or you've moved items into local-only folders, verify you have copies saved before confirming. If the account you're removing is set as the default data file, Outlook may ask you to select another default first. This is normal and helps keep your profile stable. Confirm the removal. Outlook will process the change and the mailbox will disappear from your folder pane. You won't send or receive mail from that account in this Outlook app anymore, but the rest of your setup remains untouched. And that's it. Starting from the Outlook homepage, you clicked File, opened Account Info, went to Accounts and Manage Account, and used Remove Account from Outlook to disconnect the mailbox. If you ever need it back, you can return to these same controls to reconnect it. Thanks for watching, and remember to back up anything important before you remove an account.